Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm showcasing a use case using SuccessFactors and Joule, and this is if you're using time off. And so I'm just going to say I want to request off next Tuesday, 12/23. So I'm recording this on Friday the 19th, and then if I look at it, 12/23 is the following Tuesday. And so Joule comes back and it says, hey, no problem, here's your time off request. It has the specific dates, the type of time tap, 1 day. And yes, while I could do this using the request time off right here, a lot more people are getting more comfortable just doing things via chatbot and not having to navigate or click and just being able to type it out. And then I can go ahead and press submit, and it'll go ahead and do this for me in the system. So it's just a more central place where you can do all the most common tasks that you have. And then as you'll see, it will do this for me and then say, hey, it's still awaiting approval by your manager, Charles Braun. And from here, it actually gives me some helpful places. I can go to the time off module if I want. I can see this information here. You can see now I have a pending one because it showed me it's not approved. I can see my balances in here as well as holidays. I could view my team absences if I'd like to. So I'm able to do that. But the other thing I'm able to do, which I think is a nice touch, is sync this to Outlook. So I can click this and boom, it immediately creates a vacation entry with that date for that time. And so it'll block my calendar there as well. So I'm able to quickly do that. I will say the nice thing about having Joule turned on is I didn't have to configure this use case or tell it that I wanted it turned on. It was just working. And so if you look at it, and I'm looking at the what's new for Joule in October 2025, there's just a number of enhancements, right? So create time off, you can actually add attachments to this as well. So previously they weren't supported in Joule. This tells some details about the types that you can do, the sizes. And yeah, for vacation, you probably don't need it, but if you have other types of leave, then you can do that here as well. So once you turn this on, then this is going to continue to be enhanced, and Joule's just going to get more and more powerful where you can do things. And then this shows it is also supported on the mobile app. So yeah, the idea here is, yes, this is nothing groundbreaking, but at the same time, you're just taking the friction out of work for people, right? Taking time off should be something that someone can easily do. All right, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and yeah, I appreciate all the support. Thank you very much.